So when Disney Movie Insiders was about to go away, I redeemed all my points mainly on 3 Blu-ray DVDs. This is one of 3. This is the Finding Dory Blu-ray combo pack with DVD and digital copy. And since I redeemed it from Disney's Movie Club, it comes in this packaging. And unfortunately, this one doesn't come with a slipcover. If you saw my Finding Nemo redemption, that one did come with a slipcover, so kind of disappointing here. And here's a look at the packing list if you get it from Disney Movie Insiders. But here is the cover art for the Blu-ray case. So you can see that it's just the vibrant colors of Finding Dory with all its main characters on the front. And then here's a look at the spine. And then here's the back. Because it has a digital copy, there's a code inside that I can redeem on DisneyMoviesAnywhere.com. And then here are some of the bonus features. So a few shorts here looks like behind the scenes, some research they did for the movie. And then it looks like this is all region for the Blu-ray, but just region 1 for the DVD. So unfortunately, your DVD is region locked. But removing the shrink wrap, let's take a look at what we get here. So in terms of the paperwork, you just have one slip of paper. Oops, looks like one of the discs is falling out. It's the 2-disc stack design, which I am not a fan of. But here is the slip of paper with the code, which I have already redeemed, so don't bother trying. Lucky that it was still working because the code was like set to possibly expire 2021, but it still works for me, so that's great. And then here, let's take a look at the discs. So on the left side is the Blu-ray bonus disc. So most of the other extra features is found on that disc, and then the features, so the actual movie and maybe a few extras, are on the right hand side. So this is the Blu-ray disc, and then just behind that is the DVD disc. And I appreciate that all 3 discs have full-blown artwork on them, and they are all different from each other, so that's pretty nice. So that's what you can expect when you get the Finding Dory Blu-ray combo pack. If you aren't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel to see my other unboxing and product videos like this. Thanks for watching.